Alright, this is Tom with Clogbusters. We are at 8026 Southeast 31st Avenue doing our final sewer inspection. We got the water running. I'm going to push it out to the main. We are, I guess I should probably bring it back, zero out the counter. This is the bottom of the stack here in the basement. Transition from ABS. This is existing. Our new pipe is here. From here out, right there is our new stuff. We had to fix the cooling in the line. Before all this was completely underwater. I'm at an awkward angle, so I'll try to push it out. We're in existing sewer line now. Right away. Alright, there's the city's main. I'm going to pause the video. The water drains pretty slow from the line in the back, but just going to pull it back slowly. Water was completely under, or the sewer was completely underwater up at the house, so that's what we fixed. Pipe. We're back into the existing. And that's going to conclude our inspection. There's the clean out we went through.